Hello everyone. Today I'll tell you how to change any color in patterns easily and without making any selections. So without any delay, let's start. Make a duplicate by holding Alt, click and drag so that we can see the changings that we have applied. Now select your layer and add Hue and Saturation adjustment layer. Select this hand tool here and pick the color that you want to change with this eyedropper tool. See the color name, it changes. Now you can directly hit the hue slider to select any color. You can also increase or decrease the saturation to get more vibrant colors. But we cannot apply the same technique if we want to change any solid color. For example, see this headband. If we change this headband exactly the same way, then the background color will also get affected. Because it's a solid color and we need to make selections of this headband first. You can use both quick selection tool and direct selection tool. It depends upon the complexity of your object. As there are edges, so quick selection tool can make a real fine selection of this headband. So just select the quick selection tool and make the real fine selection of this headband. Then you need to repeat the same process. Just select Hue and Saturation adjustment layers and there it goes. Just select your color, any color of your choice, and set saturations accordingly. But the object selection tool is also an advantage in Photoshop to make selections of real big objects easily and quickly, as it selects the subject automatically. Here you see. You just need to play around to get to know more hidden in Photoshop. Thank you for watching.